Today we're going to make a quick and easy crochet egg. I will be using a 4mm crochet hook. For everything I use in this video, I will be putting the links in the description. This little egg is made with an easy single crochet. We will be doing a yarn under. As you can see the technique here, the yarn is under the hook as we pull through. Then we yarn over and finish our single crochet. Again, you will insert the hook, the yarn will go under, pull through, yarn over, and finish the stitch. This makes a beautiful tight single crochet for all your stuffed projects that you do or amigurumi. Let's start with a magic circle. Making a little loop and holding it in your hand, we will just insert our hook, pull up the yarn, and do a chain. We can now put 6 single crochet into this circle. Remember, we're going to not do a yarn over, but a yarn under. Pulling up and single crochet. Let's do 6 in this circle. We can then pull snug to close our ring. So round 1 will be 6 single crochet. We are now going to work into that first single crochet stitch, insert our hook, pull up the yarn, and finish the single crochet. This will be the first stitch in our second round. We will put 2 single crochet in each stitch. Going back into that same spot, another single crochet. Moving on to the next, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. Continue all the way around until you have 12 single crochet. This will be stitch 11, and then this will be stitch 12. We will be continuing our circle. So for the start of round 3, let's put a single crochet in the next stitch. This will be our first stitch, and we're going to place a stitch marker in that first stitch so we can count our rows. For our next round, we will put 1 single crochet at each stitch. So the first one is our marker, then we have 2 and 3, and continue all the way around until you have 12 single crochet. Here we have stitch 11 and stitch 12. So round 3 will equal 12 single crochet. Moving on to the next round, we will move our stitch marker and place our first stitch. Let's put the marker in our first single crochet. For this round, we will do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 single crochet in the next, and we will repeat this. So 2 in this one here. Repeating this pattern, we will do 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet. Continue until you have reached the marker. For round 4, you will have 18 single crochet. Let's remove our marker, put in our first single crochet, and place the marker back. Put the marker in the first stitch, and then for this round, we will put 1 single crochet in each stitch. So round 5 will be 18 single crochet. You can now see how our egg is starting to take shape. Let's put the marker again in our first stitch. For this round, we will have 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then we will put 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then we will do the increase, so 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And let's repeat this. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet. Continue until you have reached the marker. Round 6 will be 24 stitches. Starting our next round, we're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we're going to do this for the next 7 rounds. So we will do this for rounds 7 through 13, making 24 stitches in each round. So just 1 single crochet in each stitch. Remember to replace your marker after each round. Your egg should now look something like this. Before we continue, let's take our marker and let's just lock our stitch. So we're just going to put it here into our stitch so we don't lose anything. We're just securing the yarn. Let's turn our egg inside out and we will weave in the starting yarn. Make sure you always weave in your starting yarn. This is just a slip knot in the magic ring, and we don't want to ever have it come loose. So with your darning needle, just go in and out a few times to secure that end. You do not need to cut it. I like to use a sharp pointed darning needle for this. We can now continue. For our next round, we are going to do a decrease. So we will start with 1 single crochet, let's place our marker in that first stitch, and then we will do another single crochet, and now we will do a decrease. So we will put 2 single crochet together. We're just going to use the front loop of that single crochet, so we're not going to go into both of it. We will just do the front loop. So front loop into the first, and then front loop into the next. And then we will grab our yarn, pull through, and finish the single crochet. This will be our single crochet decrease. So let's repeat this pattern. We will have 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet, and then a decrease. Repeat this stitch until you've come all the way around to your stitch marker. For round 14, we will have 18 single crochet. Round 15 will be another decrease round. Let's start with our first stitch and place our marker. We will then do 1 single crochet, and then we will do our decrease. And then we're going to repeat this pattern all the way around. So 1 single crochet, and then a decrease. I will meet you back at the marker. When you have come to the end, you could remove your marker. We will then leave a tail of about 12 inches or 30 centimeters. We can cut the yarn and pull through. This is how your egg should look, and this is how the bottom opening should look. We can now stuff our egg. You can make your egg as soft or as hard as you would like it. Once you have finished, we can take our darning needle and close up the bottom of our egg. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon.